The Big Bang theory is widely considered the leading concept about the origins of the universe. Astrophysics has shown that this theory accurately matches the phenomena observed in the cosmos. For centuries, it has provided a solid foundation for understanding how the universe formed 13.7 billion years ago. According to the theory, everything came to life in an instant. However, there's a challenge: understanding anything before the Big Bang is impossible. But recently, some publications based on images from the James Webb Space Telescope have claimed that the Big Bang never happened, sparking panic among cosmologists. How do these images suggest that the Big Bang theory might be inaccurate? Let's explore the evidence provided by the telescope itself and see if it holds up. The potential benefits of the James Webb Space Telescope far outweigh the risks associated with its launch. No other scientific instrument has held as much promise for advancing our understanding of the cosmos. For this reason, scientists worldwide eagerly awaited its activation. But no one expected the surprising discoveries that followed. Within just 2 months of becoming operational, the James Webb Space Telescope has captured images that challenge the Big Bang theory. The notion that the universe was born with the Big Bang has been ingrained in the minds of millions. However, this theory is not as foolproof as many believe. Even some scientists, including atheists and naturalists, acknowledge its significant flaws. The recent photographs from the James Webb Telescope have left many who strongly support the Big Bang theory scratching their heads. The Big Bang theory grew out of the work of Georges Lemaitre, a priest-turned-astronomer, who in 1927 proposed that the universe began as a single point. He theorized that the entire universe expanded from this singularity and would continue to do so forever. A few years later, astronomer Edwin Hubble, after whom the Hubble Space Telescope is named, confirmed Lemaitre's theory by observing that distant galaxies were moving away from us, and they were doing so at an accelerated rate. Hubble concluded that the universe was still expanding, just as Lemaitre had predicted. According to the Big Bang theory, the cosmos originated as a collection of minuscule particles mixed with light and energy. As this energy expanded into space, the temperature dropped. The tiny particles clumped together to form atoms, which then clustered into stars and galaxies. These early stars created larger atoms, leading to the formation of new stars. Galaxies collided and merged, creating a magnificent cosmic spectacle. Over 14 billion years, objects like asteroids, comets, planets, and black holes emerged as stars formed and gave birth to new celestial bodies. But what if the Big Bang never happened? Most scientists shy away from exploring this idea, as it's considered the cornerstone of modern astronomy. But the James Webb Space Telescope has stirred the pot with its recent photographs. Cosmologists around the world are now grappling with the images that seem to contradict the Big Bang theory. The James Webb Space Telescope is designed to look at the infrared wavelengths of the electromagnetic spectrum. This is because light from distant galaxies shifts into this region of the spectrum. As a result, the telescope can capture more detailed pictures of these far-off galaxies. According to the Big Bang theory, the light emitted by the most distant galaxies took more than 13 billion years to reach Earth. So, we should see these galaxies not as they are now, but as they were over 13 billion years ago, during their formation, when they were less evolved. But preliminary results from the James Webb Space Telescope challenge this expectation. Initial findings suggest that large, bright galaxies may have developed before the alleged Big Bang. If proven true, this would dramatically challenge current cosmological beliefs. Many of these galaxies appear to be more massive than traditional models suggest, defying the expected patterns of cosmic development. To be fair, these are still early results that haven't been fully validated. But they've certainly caused anxiety among proponents of the Big Bang theory. As cosmologist Richard Ellis said, "I'm slightly concerned that we will find these galaxies in the James Webb images. The images from the James Webb Telescope show an unusually large number of smooth, compact, and ancient galaxies, which contradicts expectations based on the Big Bang theory." But is this really a flaw in the theory, or could it be an optical illusion? If the universe is expanding, we should be seeing a strange optical effect. Normally, as we move farther away from objects in space, they should appear smaller. But that's not what the images from the James Webb Telescope suggest. Some distant galaxies appear larger than expected, which challenges the assumption that galaxies should shrink as they move farther from us. What makes this even more perplexing is that galaxies that are brighter and more massive than our Milky Way appear much smaller in the James Webb images compared to Hubble's images. This raises the question, if the universe is expanding, why are distant galaxies appearing smaller instead of larger? The new observations are so unusual that they have sparked debates within the scientific community. Some theorists believe that this could indicate variability in the fundamental laws of physics on cosmic scales, which would raise serious questions about the accuracy of our current models. Others suggest that there may be unknown factors or phenomena that haven't been understood yet, which could explain the apparent decrease in size of distant galaxies. The possibility that our current theories about the expansion of the universe and galaxy evolution might be incomplete or incorrect has ignited renewed interest in cosmology. The James Webb Space Telescope is now a beacon for re-examining our fundamental understanding of the cosmos. Astronomers are meticulously analyzing the data from the James Webb Telescope, hoping that further discoveries will help explain this cosmic enigma. As these observations continue, we may be one step closer to understanding the true nature and evolution of the universe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.